So today's handy little number, got a quarry conveyor belt, tail drum or head drum, not quite sure, tail drum I think, with worn shaft stubs where the bearing goes on. So my job is to weld up the stubs for them to be remachined back to original bearing fit size. So it should be a nice handy little number. We get her chained up on the crane, set on the rotator, get her set nice, get the rotator set nice, get the welder set nice, and sit down and relax and do some welding. So that's it finished welded. From here it'll go to the lathe and the shafts will be turned down to bearing size, new bearings fitted, and that'll be it, ready to replace. A nice handy wee afternoon's work. Those are the sort of jobs we like around here.